us as well as we played today. We played brilliantly. We played them off the park.
Well, we follow them everywhere. I've supported them since I was 4 years of age. Just being together with these fans is fabulous.
I've been a West Ham fan since 1969. I've seen the ups and the downs.
Gets the adrenaline pumping and it shows your true love for West Ham. We're up for it, the boys are up for it, you can tell they come down here, listen to the crowd, you know what I mean, everyone's up for it, we're going to win today, 3 points in the bag.
I think you'll now become the talismanic player for West Ham United that we've always known that you were going to be.
Thank you.
Fantastic club, fantastic tradition, fantastic support.